first graders, how's it going? Hope you've had a great week. It's Friday and it's April 3rd. So we're gonna start off with some announcements today. Okay, so it is Friday, and what are some special things we have on Friday when we're at school? Well, yes, we have dessert day, we have honors art, we have share day. So guess what? We can do all that today, but at your houses, of course. So dessert day. If you want, you can ask your parents to see if maybe you can do dessert day at home with them. So if maybe they're kind of iffy about it or not sure, maybe you can offer to do like some chores, maybe during the week if you make your bed every day, or if you help take out the trash, or help with the dishes, or help set up for dinner, or different things like that that they might need help, or clean up your room. Say, hey mom, dad, there's some chores I can do to try to earn dessert day on Fridays, and maybe they'll make a deal with you, okay? So also you can send in your pictures of you enjoying dessert day with your family at home. That'd be fun to see because I know you guys really love dessert day a lot. Okay, also another thing is, like I said before, we have honors art on Fridays. So Mrs. Moore is starting a new honors art coding class that she is going to have a Zoom meeting about today, this afternoon at 2:30. So you can go on Zoom with Mrs. Moore at 2:30 and she'll tell you all about the honors art coding class you can take. Now, the meeting today at 2:30 is for our class and for the second graders. So she'll send the code out to remind to your parents. So you can go ahead and get that. Now, we also have a new program we're starting. It's called Pearl Phone Pals. And you know, some of you might have like grandparents or older aunts and uncles or older neighbors or just friends of your family that you know they can't leave the house right now because it's not safe for them, because you want to be able to keep them healthy, right? And so, you know, they might be getting lonely and some of them might be missing you guys a lot, right? So if you could think of somebody that you have in your family or somebody you know around your neighborhood or just a relative or a friend of your family that you want to be a phone pal with, you can go ahead and start that program and just like call or text them a couple times a week, and you can be part of the Pearl Phone Pal program. There's also, when you sign up, you can get some questions. There's questions on the back of the flyer that have different questions of ideas you can get so you don't run out of things to talk about. And it's kind of neat because you'll also be learning a lot about them and about history, and you're not gonna ask them all these questions every time you call them or text them, okay? Just pick a couple, all right? Or just think of your own, okay? So this is gonna be a fun thing for you and for them, and then you're also gonna be thinking of others and reaching out to other people. And that's something that you can do right now that's not gonna cost any money and not gonna be super hard, but it'll really make their day, I'm sure. Okay, so if you want to do that, if you wanna sign up, you can go ahead and call the Pearl office and they'll get you signed up, and you could just tell them like you have someone already in mind, or if you need help finding someone, the Pearl office can help you find somebody to connect with, okay? All right, now, let's go on with our first grade business for today. So let's start off with freckle points like we usually do. Okay, we have Zoe got 40, Clara 10, Kylie 20, Daniel 10, and Aiden W 10. So the team points are odds have 90 and evens have 130. So that's 130 points the evens have, so they're winning. Okay, also, sorry, one more thing. Today is Friday, so you are going to be turning in your work from the week. That is today between 4 and 6. If you can make it, you're also gonna be picking up new work. If you can't make it today, then you can come Monday between 8 and 3, okay? So you need to make sure that you're turning in your math pages. You tear out the math pages you did. You're also tearing out the handwriting pages. Remember, for journaling, you're not turning those in. You're keeping your journal at home. All I need you to do is ask your parents nicely and kindly, like you always do, I'm sure. Mind your manners. Ask them, please, to take pictures of your 5 days of journaling, and then they're gonna send me pictures through Remind, 5 pictures, okay? And I will look at them and give you credit for those, okay? So now, for daily language, you're gonna be doing day 4 today. Nope, sorry. For daily language, you're doing Friday, okay? Friday. Today is Friday, so you're doing Friday. Sorry about that. Okay, then you are also going to be doing a grammar test. You're going to do your capitalizing titles test, which is page 54. Okay, this is a test. So once again, your parents can help you read the directions or read the sentences, but they can't help you find the answers. Okay, let's see what you guys know and have learned this week. Okay, now for handwriting, you're going to be practicing your uppercase letter F, uppercase F for handwriting. Okay. Then you're also going to be doing your studies weekly, your blue paper, the blue studies weekly. So then after that, you're going to be doing your math, your chapter 7 test for math. It is pages 173, 174. All right. So make sure also that same thing, it's a test. So your parents can't help you find the answer, but they can read the directions to you or read the question to you. Okay. Now, for social studies, you're going to go on to the Scholastic Learning site. You're going to do week 2, day 10, which is called Math and Science Measurement. Then for your writing journal, you're going to do the draw and write activity, and it's called How Many Spoons? And you're going to do your writing, your drawing, and your coloring in your journal. Okay, now also remember, on Fridays, we do share day here at school. So on Zoom today at 1 o'clock, we're going to be doing share day on Zoom together, okay? So you're all going to have a chance to be able to share something and talk about it. So be ready to kind of say 2 to 3 sentences about your item, why you chose it, where you got it from. Give us some information, okay? And I'm going to give each of you a chance, a turn to talk in front of the class and share about your special item that you want to pick. Okay, so it's your pick today, whatever you want to share, all right? So remember, also, you're gonna be working on those art projects for the kazoos that you're making. Those are due by Monday. Make sure you send a remind picture to me on Remind with your kazoo creations, okay? Also, and if you haven't done the science, the sound wave assignment on Edpuzzle, make sure you're doing that as well. It's just one assignment on Edpuzzle. The link is on GradeLink for you, and I also sent a GradeLink, a link to your parents through Remind, okay? All right, so keep reading. Make sure you have your parents sign that April reading calendar, and I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and I look forward to seeing what you guys want to share with us today on Zoom. Have a great weekend. Miss you. Bye.